Hey guys, what's up? It's Cal back from another video, and today I'm showing you how to download Minecraft custom art from Mac. I have no idea how to do it on PC. So you have to download a zip file or RAW file, or video file 7-zip, so you download it. Wait for it to download while I mess around on servers. I'm just going to page server, that's all. I'm just gonna mess around on a server. It does it. Don't know why it's been spin around, but I think I'll go into this here. Okay, so it's loaded. And run into Twin Arch, so I'm downloading. Unzip it. Go into your Finder. There you go. Close everything else. Close any other tab. Drag it onto your home screen. And here, type lowercase L on all my. Wait for it to load. Type an L. Oh no, I can't. And it should just go on. Okay, it's being a slow as dick. Okay. It's being really slow. Okay, I'll just do that again actually. Okay, just search L. And it'll come up with the library. Go into application support, Minecraft, saves, not resource pack, saves, the world, drag it into there, open up Minecraft, go into single player, PvP. Right here. There we go. So that's how you download maps. Goodbye, Cal.